These little dwergbokkies, goats, love the millies. What are you feeding them, Ante?
Millies.
Millies. What's there? Nice millies. Do they like the millies?
Yeah.
Look at the horns of this one. Hey, no. You can see he doesn't like to be touched. Invading his private space. Come here. Come here. You see? He doesn't like being touched. Who are you? Hey! The funky chicken.
Did I fancy it, Ian?
You see, these ones are the ones with medium nice hair. It's not that
They're
nice.
going to the show. Look at that one there.
Now that one is the fancy chickens with the big hair. Let's see what this chicken's doing. Look at this one. Look at that one. Show us your hair. Look at these big afros they are running here. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that one. Yo.